Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks using Yahoo Finance. First, understand that Yahoo Finance is a powerful research tool, not a brokerage itself. You'll use it to gather crucial information before making investment decisions. We'll walk through finding company data, analyzing trends, and then connecting that research to your actual stock purchases through a separate brokerage account. This process ensures you make well-informed trades. To research stocks effectively, begin by searching for a company's ticker symbol on Yahoo Finance. You'll find comprehensive data, including real-time quotes, historical prices, and financial statements like income statements and balance sheets. Explore analyst ratings, news articles, and interactive charts to understand market sentiment and price movements. This thorough research helps you identify promising investment opportunities before committing your capital. Once your research is complete, you'll need an online brokerage account to actually buy stocks. Popular options include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or E*Trade. After funding your account, navigate to the trading section. You can place a market order to buy immediately at the current price, or a limit order to specify a maximum price you're willing to pay. Confirm your order details carefully before executing the trade. After buying stocks, continuous portfolio management is crucial. Regularly check your investments on Yahoo Finance for performance updates and relevant news. Consider setting stop-loss orders with your brokerage to automatically sell a stock if it drops to a certain price, helping to limit potential losses. Remember, investing involves risk, so stay informed and adjust your strategy as needed. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.